Hi, my name is Without Treasure Hunt, and welcome back to the channel. Fix this camera so it's not leaning. And, woo, a lunch. A different kind of lunch. Snow peas. No, not snow peas. Yeah. No. Sugar snap peas, radishes, and chickpeas. And what I did was just put it all in the cast iron and cooked the peas and radishes till they were softened enough, and then I threw the chickpeas in there, and I was like, oh, I have some cornbread left over that I didn't put in the freezer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this, I'm going to crumble it up and put it on the top so that so just using up what I have in the fridge, and then I'll start with the freezer so that I'm rotating stuff around. So let's see here. Okay, now this is what I was doing. This is on the it's on the bottom, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just putting this on the top. And even it out. And let that sit for a minute. Oh, trying to get stuff done that needs to be done. That sounds so good. Alrighty. Now I'll make my own garlic butter. We use Kroger's. I'm trying to figure out, do I want garlic butter? Because I got garlic, or do I want regular butter? Let's try some of this. I'm just going to get a clean fork. Just let that sit and melt right on top. There we go. And we found the paper plate. I'll tell y'all a funny story. They bought paper plates a couple of weeks ago, and they set them right where we could find them and everything. They got moved. Everybody looked. Everybody moved things. I saw my daughter-in-law pick up stuff and paper and everything. Couldn't find them whatsoever. Yesterday, went over to the freezer and picked up a empty Kroger bag, and those plates were underneath of it. You have no idea how they got there whatsoever. But who knows? I'll put that top in there. Alright, so just letting that butter melt a little bit. I was thinking, if you wanted to, you could put that little ceramic thing that I use to put my mac and cheese in and put it in the toaster oven. You could you take some of that, put it in that, and then put it in there and just put on broil and toast your cornbread, or you could use breadcrumbs if you don't use cornbread. But I figured I'm just using some stuff up to, it reminds me of a casserole dish. You know, it's time for those things. You know, those are good in the summer, but, you know, the winter, the comfort food, you know, so that'd be something good. And with some chicken or some turkey or, ooh, so many cool things I could think of. So, um, I was in Tasha's Triple Threat Defense. I will put her link down. I was in her live. She was doing a cooking live and everything. So that was really good. And she has some jams and all that she got from Lazy Days Ahead. I'll put their link down below too. And I was like, oh, yeah, I know what I'm making this weekend. And then there's the light. It works and then it doesn't work. So, yeah, this weekend I'm definitely making some watermelon jam. And I'll bring y'all along with it because I'm not going to use sugar. We'll just see how it turns out. So, and there we go. You know, like I said, you could put this in the oven and put it on boil or a toaster oven and everything. I just wanted to heat up that bread a little bit more. Quite sure it tastes good. Taste it. We're going to take a taste. Oh, that looks so good. Alrighty. I seasoned it with kosher salt, black pepper, onion, garlic powder, and oregano this time. Trying to, you know, change the herbs up every once in a while. And you could put a Italian seasoning in there, or you could do a chili mix in it. That's good because the chickpeas have a little crunch to them. Oh, that's so good. Yeah, definitely garlic butter. That's really good. You know, this is lunch today. Oh yeah, what I did for dinner, oh my goodness, y'all, that was delicious. I am definitely getting, I will keep that recipe and make it again. Next time I might not use the noodles, I might try to use something else, and I'll show you what I use. So, I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Check out the links below, the Amazon affiliate. And if you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home. Have a wonderful day.